The price of Vtho has been pretty stable for the past few months. After the price went up in the first quarter of 2021, the Vethor token went down, and since then, the price of Vtho has been going sideways, with a market position of 263 right now. Does the Vethor coordinate have the potential to make a huge profit for investors? The V-Chain crypto's design is meant to deal with the release of a few new coins. The V-Chain climate runs on the Vethor public blockchain. The Vtho Explorer organization has a base that is different from all of its crypto trades. V-Chain Vethor is a blockchain made for projects that deal with growing needs. These are applications based on the V-Chain Vethor blockchain that businesses can use. Each business can build its own independent application if it needs the chain. Vethor blockchain wants to make a business-focused blockchain that is easy to use and customizable. Vethor token, Vtho, is one of the two tokens used by the V-Chain Vethor public blockchain. The two-symbol structure makes the connection faster and more useful when compared to other blockchain networks. The Vthor token is the main way to move money on the blockchain network. The Vtho, which is the near-term future of the Vthor token, is the next step. Identifying the Vethor blockchain allows users to separate their thoughts and market speculation practices from the cost of using the V-Chain Vethor blockchain. One thing to keep in mind is that the Vethor token isn't tied to the market value of the V-Chain token, but it does create and move as a different component that allows the system to run on the organization instead of having a specific effect on the V-Chain. Vethor climate in a trade, after it is approved, about a third of the trade regard is given to the power centers and the other 70% is lost. The influence centers verify the splendid arrangements trades, so the organization pays out to the influence center points as an incentive for the recruiting influence. Use the Vtho and better fundamental for an establishment where one improves the other, allowing faster trade rates and activities for the endeavor. Putting together Vethor the Trailblazer's real history also, the head of Vtho is very smart. Lou Brilliant's master's career kept going after he became the head of Bacardi China in 2009. Shortly after that, he turned his attention to the fashion world by becoming the CTO for Louis Vuitton. In 2014, he switched to the information advancement area and became the chief information officer of the Chinese division. In 2015, he thought about the possibility of Vtho and planned the organization step by step. Bitsy, a company in China's blockchain industry, used the V-Chain network as a support system. In 2018, Bitsy's subsidiary Vchain became its own business, and the company went through Vethor-specific review. In the first quarter of 2021, the price of Vtho consistently went up by making a good mix base. This upward momentum stopped in the last half of April 2021, when the token's price experts reached its 50-day clear moving average. For the next 3 months, the price of the Vethor token stayed in a downtrend around the value of $0. The price of USD tokens will level off in July 2021, and Rose will be back soon. The assortment scattering pointer shows that most of the volume is lost during a downtrend, which happened from May 2021 to July 2021. At the beginning of last year, the Vethor token price shot up on high volume thanks to strong assortment. However, in April 2022, it lost its power because of a crash in the entire crypto market. The constant price of the Vethor token completely looks through in the recovering stage any Vtho USD breakouts in either direction. As the automated currency market is very unpredictable and prone to sudden changes, financial sponsors should know their bet limits and how they want to get into the financial business. Chances are that the expected cost won't be the regular price, and the situation could get worse, so we're making the best guesses we have right now. Presently thought, how much is a Vethor ticket worth? 2023, the price of a Vethor ticket is expected to be at least free, and at most, it will cost nothing. 2023, the average cost of selling a symbolic all should be close to $0. The value of Vethor symbol is unknown. 2024, the Vethor unit will be worth nothing, according to the Vethor cost expect revolution models. The best cost will be nothing, and the average selling price will be around nothing until 2024. Based on the cost analysis and Vtho cost estimate for 2025, the value of a Vethor token in 2025 is assumed to be $5. The lowest cost of Vethor will be nothing, the highest cost will be nothing, and the average cost will also be nothing. Based on the value of the sign in 2025, there might be an answer in 2026 instead of 2025. The computerized cash prediction tools show that the least it should cost is $0. The best price for electronic money in the form of Vethor tokens will be $0. Being aware of the cost of $0 on a daily basis. 2026. What's a Vethor ticket worth in 2027? According to the plan, the cost of Vtho should be at least $0. The price of Vethor tokens can go as high as $0, which is crazy. During that time, the average cost of the symbolic all will be $0. Vethor token price assumption 2028. Based on our Vethor token price assumption, the lowest and highest prices for 2028 may be $0. $0 on its own, even though the average cost may be associated with $0 using the Vtho coin price assumption, you can figure out how much a Vethor token will be worth in 2029. The symbol will sell for no more than 1 penny and no less than 1 penny, while a penny will usually be worth 1 penny in 2029. Thought value assumption for 2030. The Vtho assumptions for 2030 could surprise sellers by showing a minimum cost of 1 penny and a maximum cost of around 2 pennies, making it a worthwhile venture. At the same time, the average cost of a coin in 2030 may be 1 penny. One of the recommended places to buy a Vethor coin is Binance Finance. It has a high trading rate, which makes it a good choice for buying cryptocurrency. However, Vtho and mxc.com also gave options to buy a Vethor token. Is the Vethor token a good investment? Vethor symbol has a good chance of getting for a long time. Eventually, the Vtho is expected to be a useful project by continuing to rise in price, market cap, and trading volume, giving the financial sponsor returns that have never been seen before. How much will the Vethor token be worth in 2030? At the time of writing this article, the market cap of the Vtho token is more than $100 million, and it has a current supply of 59,707,900,000